Garlic. I love to eat garlic with my pasta.
Climb. আরোহণ করা. I want to climb the highest mountain. Beard. I trim my beard every week. Dome. I saw a beautiful dome on the mosque. Era. Yug. I feel lucky to live in this modern era. Afford. সামর্থ্য থাকা. I cannot afford to buy a new car right now. Diplomatic. I try to be diplomatic when solving a problem. Critic. সমালোচক. I am my own biggest critic. আমি নিজেই আমার সবচেয়ে বড় সমালোচক. Cupboard. I keep my books neatly in the cupboard. Dilemma. I am in a big dilemma about my career. Appropriate. I always wear appropriate clothes for the office. Expenditure. ব্যয় খরচ. I need to reduce my monthly expenditure. Evoke. জাগানো. This old song evokes my childhood memories. Established. I want to be an established person in society. Denial. I was in denial about my mistake at first. Lean. I lean against the wall when I am tired. I lean against the wall when I am tired. Notorious. I used to be notorious for waking up late. Spring. I feel very happy in the spring season. Glove. Hat moza. I wear a glove when riding my bike in winter.
Exotic. I dream of traveling to an exotic island one day.